What if I told you that most didn't inherit their wealth? They built it from scratch. The good news? You don't need a salary, you just need the right system. In this video, I'll show you the exact roadmap, even if you're starting with nothing. Step 1. Mindset. Wealth starts in your mind before it shows up in your bank account. Stop asking, how can I save more? Start asking, how can I earn more and invest wisely? Step 2. Spend less than you earn. This sounds simple, but it's the foundation of every wealthy person's financial life. If your expenses always grow with your income, you'll never get ahead.
Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Before investing, save 3 to 6 months of expenses. This keeps emergencies from turning into financial disasters. Step 5. Invest consistently. Don't wait for the invest. Invest regularly, even small amounts. Time in the market usually matters more than trying to time the market. Step 4. Increase your income. Don't rely on just one income source. Learn valuable skills, start a side hustle, freelance, or build an online business.
High-interest debt can destroy your financial progress. Pay off expensive debt first, and avoid borrowing for things that quickly lose value. Read books, listen to podcasts, and improve your financial knowledge. The more you learn, the better your money decisions become. Building wealth is about making smart decisions consistently. Hit the like button and subscribe to Money Blueprint. Start today.